Hello and welcome to part 4 of Broken Down. In this episode, we're going to show you another place where most commonly people fail here in Rochdale, where the pass rate is only 39%. So if you want to avoid failing your driving test, let's take a look at what you should and what you shouldn't be doing. Now, if you look at the signs, you'll see there's no one-way signs to indicate that there's a one-way system here. So if you look at the signs as you approach the end, you will be expected to see that sign on the left, which is a triangle with the two arrows in it, and know that it's a one-way road that you're coming to. So because of it being a one-way road, we must position to the right, and many people are failing here for not positioning to the right and positioning to the far left to leave this road. So that's how it should be done. So be careful of that when you're on your driving test here in Rochdale. And please do subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more content. Thank you.